Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can integrate Zoho Books with Shopify. This is useful for automating order management and syncing invoices, making your e-commerce business smoother. So make sure that your Zoho Books account has API access or the correct plan. So once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you will just have to go to your settings, which is right here, and once you're here, what you will have to do is you will look for integration. So just go ahead and look for that. Or you could also search for it. So just go ahead and search for integrations. So again, you do have to make sure that you have this feature. It ha- it This account is limited, but if you do have your free trial or if you do have your plan, then you will be able to access all of the features including integrations. So once you see integrations, you will just have to click that, and then you will connect Shopify. You will see the Shopify option there, and then you will connect Shopify and click connect to Shopify and enter your Shopify store URL. And then after that, you will authenticate by logging into your Shopify, and of course, you will authorize Zoho Books. And then after that, you will just have to configure your settings. You will choose what data to sync, which is either invoices, customers, inventory, or whatsoever. And once that's all done, you will just have to save and test. Click save, and then you will perform a test order to ensure that the syncing works. And that's how you can integrate Zoho Books with Shopify to automate your e-commerce accounting. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.